Good morning friends. Now in this lecture we will discuss about standard deviation. The standard deviation is denoted by sigma. Now here we have two methods. One by direct method and another method is shortcut method. Now here we will discuss about direct method. As you know, we have two types of data, group data and ungrouped data. So now the standard deviation for ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means the frequency is not given. So here the standard deviation is defined as under root summation x minus x bar square over n. Here x bar is the mean of the series and n is the number of terms. For group data, as you know that in group data the frequency is given. Now the formula for group data, we can draw the formula for group data by ungrouped data very easily. In summation term, we introduce the frequency f. In summation term, we introduce the frequency f. For group data, the frequency is given, so we introduce the f in summation term in ungrouped data formula. So the standard deviation for group data is given by under root summation f into x minus x bar square upon n, where x bar is the mean and n are the number of terms. In group data, the n is defined as summation f, the sum of frequency f. Now we take one example. Here the example is find standard deviation from following data. The individual data are given, individual observation are given. So the data is ungrouped data. So now first we arrange the data in vertical form. So x can be put in the vertical form. Now from the formula of standard deviation, the summation lie on x minus x bar square. So we calculate a column x minus x bar square in the table. We need the column x minus x bar square in the table because the summation lie on x minus x bar square. For x minus x bar square, we need x bar, that is the mean. So first we calculate the mean. Now the mean for ungrouped data is defined as x bar equal to summation x over n. Now we have x, so we sum the x. Now the sum of x is 140 and the number of term are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the mean is x bar equal to 140 upon 10, that is 14. Now we calculate x minus x bar square. Here x is given and the mean is 14. Now 10 minus 14 minus 4, to the square of minus 4 is 16. 11 minus 14 minus 3, the square of minus 3 is 9. 17 minus 14 minus 3, the square of minus 3 is 9. Similarly, we calculate all entry in x minus x bar square. Now the summation of x minus x bar square means the sum of the column x minus x bar square, and it will be 274. Now the standard deviation is defined as summation x minus x bar square over n. Here n is the number of terms. To putting the value of summation x minus x bar square and the number of term n, the standard deviation equal to under root 27.4, so the square root of 27.4 is 5.23. So the standard deviation is 5.23. Thank you. Now we take another example. Now calculate standard deviation from following data. So in this data, the X and F are given. So here the data is group data because the frequency F is given. Now first we put the data in vertical form, X and F. Now we have standard deviation Y, direct method for group data. Standard deviation equal to under root summation F into X minus X var square upon N. So here the summation is applied on F into X minus X bar square. We need a column F into X minus X var square in the table. For this, F is given but X minus X var square is not given. So first we calculate a column for X minus X bar square. For this we need X bar, the mean of the series. First we calculate the mean because the data is group data. So the mean for group data is defined as X var equal to summation F into X over N. So for mean, first we calculate F into X. Summation applied on F into X. So we need a column F into X. Now, first we calculate the column F into X. So F into X, X and F are given. So we easily calculate F into X. 4 into 6, 24, 5 into 12, 16. Like this, we calculate all entry. Now the summation F into X means the sum of column Fx. So the sum of column Fx is 706. In group data, the N is defined as summation F. So we sum the column F, that is sum of frequency. The sum of frequency equal to N equal to 100. Sum of frequency N equal to 100. So first we calculate the mean. So now the mean is summation Fx over N. Summation Fx is 706 and N is 100. So the mean is 7.06. So we have now X bar, the mean. Now we calculate a column X minus X bar square. Here X is given, X, and the mean is 7.06. So X minus X bar square. So 4 minus 7.06 and square of this 4 minus 7.06 is 3.06. The square of 3.06 is 9.3636. Similarly 5 minus 7.06, that is minus 2.06, and the square of 2.026 is 4.2436. Similarly we calculate all entries of X minus X bar square, but we have F into X minus X bar square. Summation apply on F into X minus X bar square. F is given and we also calculate X minus X bar square. So now we multiply F into X minus X bar square. So 6 into 9.3636 equal to 56.1816. Similarly 12 multiplied by 4.2436, we have 50.9232. Similarly we calculate the product of F into X minus X bar square. So now the sum of this column is summation F into X minus X bar square equal to 237.640. Now the standard deviation is putting the value of summation F into X minus X bar square, and the N means summation F, the number of term are 100. So putting these value in the formula. Now the standard deviation equal to under root 2.373, that is root of 2.373 is 1.54. So the standard deviation of the data is 1.54. Thank you.